Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Canva's brand kit to elevate your branding game. First of all, go ahead to your Canva website and make sure that you're logged in using your own account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search for my content and I'm gonna type brand kit, right? And I'm gonna browse through some of the most brand that I can get for free. Right? Let's have an example. This one. This is a presentation of brand kit. And you can add, instead of this logo, right, you can delete it and add your own logo, right? You can go ahead right here and click this, right, and see the tools right here which you can change, right, and then go ahead and click uploads from here, right, and add your own logo. So I can go ahead and click upload files, click device, photo library, right. Let's say I want to upload a logo. Let's say there's plenty of logo here, plenty to look for. Right, let's say this is for example. So I'm gonna add this, right? And as you can see right here, it's uploading. I'm gonna add it and add it to the element right here, right? So I can go ahead and add this as an element. If you want to delete the background, I'm gonna delete the background because I don't want, right, for example, and add this logo, right? So this is an example only, so you can add your own brand, and then if you like what you see, you can go ahead to the next one right here to see your brand kit, logo, color, font, element. You can add erase that logo and add your own logo, right? That applies to both right here. You can see right here the colors, the font, elements, all that stuff. If you want to select one brand kit, it comes in a collection. It comes with a collection, so you're gonna be able to actually add your own resource page and everything. So if you like what you see, you can just hit save at the top right and hit download, and you'll be able to download it as a PDF, and we keep everything consistent and professional with minimum effort. Okay, you can also share with other people if you want to. Click right here to upload and invite other people to your workshop so they can modify or add something of a value. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.